Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Colorado Z71 Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z8331A. 64,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Colorado brand new, black in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. This Colorado seats 5. Rear sliding window for extra ventilation, as well as rear defrost for excellent visibility. Matching fiberglass cap. Locking tailgate. Backup camera and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Z71 has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, shift and apply 4-wheel drive. Edges. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Colorado has a 3.6 liter V6, 305 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Colorado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.